lovelies, welcome back to our channel Ray. Today I am going to talk about one of the pandemic for psychologists. Yeah, it is not about corona. It is about psychology says codes. So these codes we can see in WhatsApp and Facebook and many other places saying psychology codes are big fat lies. Psychology doesn't speak for itself, psychologists do. Obviously, because it's a science, people do some scientific study and then make statements. So to identify psychology statements, the best way is seeing whether there is a reference, and definitely there will be a year they have made the statement, and that makes it very easy and convenient for us to check back whether they made the statement. Because it's a science and it is based on some research, definitely these statements are going to be little kind of boring and elaborated enough. These thoughts are some random thoughts by people, some motivational quotes, or some life's lessons, or something like that, but definitely not psychological statements. Let's review few of these statements and have some fun. Let's start with this statement. Psychology say when a person appear in your dreams, that person wants to see you. If this statement is correct and I am watching Mr. Amitabh Bachchan in my dream, that means he wants to meet me. Isn't it a lot of fun? Okay, so talking further about dreams, and there is one of the psychology theory called dream analysis, which says if you are your dreams are connected with your inner consciousness, your past experiences, and it has nothing to do with future interpretation of your life, or it has nothing to do with how others think about you. It is all about how you think about yourself and how you are perceiving the world and how you are thinking others might be thinking about you. So it has nothing to do with what is other people thinking about you or even your previous life, nothing like that. So even dream analysis is one of the theory of psychology which is purely about your past experiences of your current life and your current life events also. It has nothing to do with the future interpretation or your prediction of your life, nothing like that. Now second one. So here one thing I liked really, that background, like that person is getting killed hearing this. Psychology says if you cry alone then you are very strong. Yeah, and Mr. Tubelight has told this. So I want to meet Mr. Tubelight and I want to see his certificate and I want to see his research. After that I will speak about this. Now, psychology says beautiful ladies are born in the month of October, November, and December, and rest of the people are just died. Okay, they don't exist. Only these people are existing, and these are only people who are looking beautiful, and it is 100% true statement. Yeah. Now, psychology says if your name ends with A, you will never find true love. First and foremost, most of the girls' names ends with letter A or I, and you cut all I girls, okay, and rest of the people, they don't get a true love. That means most of the girls are not getting their true love, and guys, whomever is there with letter A, they are also not getting their true love for sure. Okay, then it's better. Why don't you change your name? Then problem is solved, right? Really. Such a nice one. Okay, now I am also kind of doing one. Psychology says every time you quote a fake psychology note, some monkey is losing its teeth. Okay? Stop faking psychology quotes and save monkey's teeth. Thank you. Bonus, if you are liking, commenting and subscribing to this channel, some monkey will be getting his tooth. So please support to our channel. Please comment, subscribe.